Tired of overpriced mining rigs? The secret is choosing equipment that balances cost, performance, and energy efficiency. I'll walk you through the essential gear for a successful home mining setup. So, grab your screwdrivers and let's get started. First things first, you need something to do the heavy lifting. We're talking about GPUs or CPUs, the heart of your mining rig. For many cryptocurrencies, high-performance GPUs like NVIDIA RTX or AMD RX series work well. They offer great hashing power and are usually cheaper than ASIC miners. For mining Monero, consider high-end CPUs with many cores, like AMD Ryzen 9 or Intel Core Y9. Next up, we gotta keep this beast powered, and that's where the PSU, the power supply unit, comes in. A good PSU can be the difference between a stable mining rig and a fiery disaster. Look for one with a high-efficiency rating, like 80 plus gold, platinum, or titanium. These bad boys squeeze every last drop of power out of your wall outlet, meaning less energy wasted as heat and more money saved on your electricity bill. I'm a big fan of the Corsair RMX and EVGA Supernova series, both solid choices that won't let you down. Now that we've got the hardware sorted, let's talk software. You'll need reliable mining software to make this rig sing. Popular options include NiceHash, Phoenix Miner, and Claymore. Ensure the software supports your coin and is regularly updated. Let's be real, mining can be a hot and sweaty business. We're talking about actual heat that can turn your components into molten slag. Investing in high-quality cooling solutions is a must. Think aftermarket GPU coolers, additional case fans, or even liquid cooling systems if you're feeling adventurous. Keeping temperatures in check extends hardware lifespan and prevents thermal throttling. You can't be a lone wolf in crypto mining. A stable, fast internet connection is crucial for mining, ensuring constant contact with the mining pool and reducing downtime. Consider a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi. It's more stable, has lower latency, and won't leave you begging your router for a better signal. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero of your mining rig, the motherboard. This is the foundation of your mining empire. For multiple GPUs, you'll need a motherboard with several PCIe slots. Some, like the ASUSB 250 Mining Expert or the ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus, are designed for mining, offering ample connectivity and features for miners' needs. Let's talk storage. You'll need a place for your operating system and mining software. A small SSD, around 120 to 256 gigabytes, will do. Ensure it's fast and reliable. Also, consider where to keep your mining rig. A secure, well-ventilated area is ideal. Avoid overheating and theft. So there you have it, folks. The essential gear you need to start your home crypto mining journey. Building a mining rig is about balancing performance, efficiency, and budget. Shop around, compare prices, and do your research. Have questions or want to nerd out about crypto? Comment below. Found this helpful? Please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy mining.